So, hi friends, some of the biggest hiring from various companies like the Upstock, Infosys, Entity Data, and other hiring. So, if you're the fresher looking for some important internship and opportunity, then this video is for you. So, pehla important opportunity है, that is from the Upstocks. They are hiring for the role of app security intern, and this is a wonderful positions for the job. Locations is Bangalore and 5 day work from the office, and you will be responsible for doing lots of stuff like performing security testing across web, mobile, and API services, participate in security architecture reviews, and CI/CD pipelines and other things are there. So if you are interested, this is one of the wonderful profile you can apply for this role. Moving to next, that is from the Infosys. So they are hiring for the role of BPM, business process management, and B computer science for data non-voice process are there, and freshers are here for this. So far 100 plus applicants have already applied. So hiring for fresher BECS for data science batch 2023 2025, no BCom BBA, and these all can apply, means BTech students can apply. This is a wonderful profile. Qualification, only graduates are eligible for interview, and 15 year 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus is mandate. Okay, so this is a freshers role, and your designation will be process executive, and immediate joiner will be preferred. So this is a wonderful profile and strong chance of getting reward. So I'll suggest must apply, और यह जो जॉब लिंक है भैया अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर कर दीजिए. ओके, सो BTech in computer science and engineering required for this. So if you haven't got the job, it's very 2025 must apply for this. Moving to next, that is from the Entity Data. They are hiring for the role of security engineer level 1. For this the job location is Mumbai, Maharashtra, and this is a full time role. So अगर आप चाहते हैं तो अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. This will be roles and responsibility like maintaining the software process, user service assurance, ensure usage of knowledge articles, and other things are there. So this is a wonderful profile also, and good company. So if you want, you can apply. You should be having from IT and other background, and entry level experience in security technology, means especially if you have some knowledge in firewall, IPS and other things are there, you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी की बात करूँ उससे पहले फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपने हमें सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, मस्ट अप्लाई सब्सक्राइब अस, बिकॉज we have provided the update related to Accenture and Microns and other hiring, and students are also getting, especially from the Revature and Concentric. So if you have missed that, then this will be a not good for you. Okay, keep applying until and unless some MNC hiring came. Next important, that is from the Stable Money. They are hiring for the role of business intern, and this is an on-site opportunity. This will be your roles and responsibilities. So who are eligible for this? Bachelor's or master degree graduates from the batch 2026, means 2026 batch only eligible for this wonderful profile, and duration will be 6 months, and joining immediate, and till July you should join for this wonderful. So this is a urgent hiring, so if you want you can apply. Moving to next, that is for the role of Microsoft .NET developer intern, and the job location is Rajarhat, New Town, Kolkata. Duration 6 month, extension based on performance, and 5 day per week. So key responsibility, assist in developing and maintaining web applications, and other things are there. So the main things required is CHAS and OOPS concept knowledge, basic. You should having basic understanding of SQL and database concept. So final year student pursuing BE, BTech, BCA, MCA, BSc, MSc, all can apply. This is wonderful profile. You can directly share your resume to this mail ID. Okay, especially Kolkata based candidates must apply. Moving to next, that is from the Infosys. They are hiring for the role of process executive. For this job location is Mysuru. So BCom BBA students are eligible, and this is a BPO role. So if you are interested, you can apply. 2022 2025 all can apply, and knowledge of income taxes plus point. Moving to second last important opportunity, that is from the CL Tech. They are hiring for the role of Python internship. So you can get a good package and good exposure, especially HCL Tech at good company. So if you want, you can apply for this through the Glassdoor. Moving to last, that is from the Magnet. They are hiring for the role of associate software engineer, Bangalore, and this is a wonderful profile. If you want, you can apply. The requirement of Python, ML concepts, and other things are there. So if you are interested, you can apply. Hope informative to you. कोई query feel free to ask. I am always here to help you. मिलते हैं next important job updates में. Thank you.